In this video, we're going to explain the T Profit Pro business model and how you can make money with the t-shirt business model. This model is simple, it's scalable, and it's just a great overall business model for people that want to earn extra revenue from the comfort of their home, from their computer. Basically, what you do is you create a design using very simple tools, and you absolutely do not need to be a designer by any means in order to make this work. You just need to have the creativity to come up with an idea, and there's some really cool tools that you can actually use, especially on Teespring and some of these t-shirt sites, so you can actually bring your designs to life. Then you would go out there, you list it on a popular shirt site like teespring.com. And Teespring is basically a crowdfunding solution for shirt designs. And so what that means is that you need to have a certain number of orders. The minimum now is 5, so you need a minimum of 5 shirts to be ordered in order for that design to go into a print run, in order for it to be printed out there. The one thing to keep in mind though, is we'll go over as you list your actual shirt on the Teespring website, is to understand though that the lower your volume is set at, so if you go with the volume of 5, your profit margin is not going to be very good, especially if you sell more than that. So you're going to want to set your target goal of between 25 and 50 shirts in order to optimize the profits that you make and to make it worthwhile as you drive traffic. You need to then, after you get your shirt listed, drive traffic to your listing and begin to profit. The most used method for getting traffic for t-shirt is through Facebook ads. It's one of the biggest ones. Facebook pages and groups is another one. So if you already have a pre-established Facebook page or group, you could get traffic that way. And then running targeted banner ads on relevant websites with a picture of your t-shirt or something to draw their attention in, that would do very well as well. Also, you can do email marketing if you have a list on that niche market and if it fits in with what they have going on. Now, that's more of a last ditch effort, because especially if you're brand new to the t-shirt model and you're doing this in various niche markets, you may not have a list yet, but eventually you will want to get one. And maybe you already are a part of a niche market that you know is profitable and that you have an email list on, then you could use that to drive traffic. And then you could also, again, post it on your website if you have a website that this would be applicable to. And obviously, you don't have to do email marketing or post it on your own website. A lot of people, all they do is they come up with a t-shirt design based on trending topics that are going on, based on what they think people would want. They go out there and they run a Facebook ads and sell it just through straight up Facebook ads. And they do targeting correctly, and we'll show you how to do some basic targeting so you understand what your audience is that you're trying to approach. Then the t-shirt company, like in this case it's Teespring, they actually print up your shirts and ship them to your customers. So you actually do not touch the inventory. And that's what makes it a great business model. It's very simple. It's just cashing in on popular shirt designs, popular sayings, popular phrases, popular things that are going out there, coming up with a cool design, getting it printed up, getting it sold, running targeted ads to it, rinsing and repeating the process over and over again. And by scalable, it means it's a simple business model that could be scaled up so you could have 50 to 100 designs running at any given time. So you can have multiple income streams. You can actually keep the winners, cut the losers. Like if there's a design that's just not working out, you could cut ties with that. So why should you choose this business model? You absolutely don't need to touch the inventory. You can outsource the designs. There's no need to be a creative genius. You can find somebody else on Fiverr, somebody else on a freelancing site like freelancer.com. You can pull ideas from Cafe Press or Zazzle. You could actually even use some custom built designs through Cafe Press, which we'll demonstrate to you in just a moment. But all you need is just to have the ideas and put in a little bit of effort. And the ability to create simple ads is also important. I'll show you how easy these advertisements are to create. Teespring.com makes it super easy to promote and set up. In fact, they give you all the tools you need because they want to see you succeed at this, because if you succeed, they succeed. And there's also good profit margins in the apparel industry. Businesses can also, again, be easily scaled into additional designs, additional profit centers for yourself. And it's also a fun business to do because you're actually tapping into something that people want. It can become kind of an addictive model that you're really, focused in on and having a good time with. And so that is why this business model is so popular. And it's one of those things where you want to capitalize on it while the trend is hot, while it's a good trend, while it's something that you can start selling and doing well with.